Top 25 Alphabet Interview Questions and Answers. This comprehensive guide presents the top 25 Alphabet interview questions with clear, structured answers designed to demonstrate expertise, strategic thinking, and innovation, helping candidates confidently excel in Alphabet interviews. 1. What motivates you to work at Alphabet? I am motivated to work at Alphabet because of its commitment to innovation, global impact, and cutting-edge technology. Alphabet fosters creativity, solves complex problems, and shapes the future across diverse industries. I appreciate the company's culture of learning, responsibility, and respect for users. Alphabet's mission and values align strongly with my passion for building meaningful solutions that improve lives. Being part of such a transformative environment genuinely inspires me. 2. How do you approach solving large-scale technical problems? I approach large-scale technical problems by breaking them down into measurable components, identifying constraints, and prioritizing based on user impact. I analyze system dependencies, scalability needs, and potential bottlenecks. Collaboration with cross-functional teams ensures alignment and diverse input. I validate assumptions using data and iterate through structured experimentation. My goal is always to develop efficient, sustainable, and user-centric solutions that can scale reliably across millions, or even billions, of users. 3. Describe a time you used data to make a critical decision. In a previous role, I evaluated product performance data to investigate declining user engagement. By analyzing behavioral patterns and segment performance, I identified a key usability issue affecting retention. After proposing and implementing a targeted redesign, A/B testing showed significant improvement in engagement metrics. This experience demonstrated how data-driven insights guide meaningful decisions, enabling teams to prioritize features effectively and deliver measurable value to users and business goals simultaneously. 4. How do you ensure your work aligns with Alphabet's user-first philosophy? I ensure alignment with Alphabet's user-first philosophy by continually gathering user feedback, analyzing behavior patterns, and validating design decisions through research. I consider user accessibility, privacy, and long-term impact when planning features. Before implementing solutions, I run usability tests to refine workflows. I focus on minimizing friction and enhancing clarity. By prioritizing empathy and real-world use cases, I create experiences that earn trust and deliver meaningful value to all users. 5. How do you handle ambiguity in projects? I handle ambiguity by clarifying objectives, gathering essential context, and identifying what is known versus unknown. I establish assumptions and validate them through research, experimentation, or quick prototypes. Ambiguity becomes manageable when broken into smaller, testable components. I communicate openly with stakeholders to align expectations and ensure progress remains transparent. By staying adaptable and data-driven, I maintain momentum and consistently guide the project toward clear, actionable direction despite uncertainty. 6. Describe your experience with cross-functional collaboration. I have extensive experience collaborating with engineering, design, product, and data teams to deliver cohesive outcomes. I prioritize clear communication, shared documentation, and transparent progress updates. Conflict is addressed constructively to maintain alignment and momentum. I value diverse perspectives because they often lead to innovative solutions. Effective collaboration requires respect, accountability, and openness, which I bring to every project. Through these principles, I help create high-performing teams that deliver exceptional results. 7. What makes you a good fit for Alphabet's fast-paced environment? I thrive in fast-paced environments because I enjoy tackling complex challenges and adapting quickly to new information. I stay organized with clear priorities and use data to guide decisions. I'm comfortable iterating rapidly, experimenting, and learning from outcomes. Alphabet's innovative culture aligns with my curiosity, resilience, and desire to push boundaries. I embrace feedback, value teamwork, and consistently deliver high-quality work under evolving demands, making me well-suited for Alphabet's dynamic environment. 8. How do you prioritize tasks when managing multiple projects? I prioritize tasks by assessing deadlines, dependencies, user impact, and strategic importance. I use structured frameworks like RICE or Moscow for clarity. I maintain transparent communication with teammates to adjust priorities when needed. Time blocking helps ensure focus without sacrificing flexibility. Every decision considers overall product goals and stakeholder alignment. By balancing urgency with long-term value, I manage multiple projects efficiently while protecting quality and ensuring meaningful progress across all deliverables. 9. How do you incorporate feedback into your work? I view feedback as an essential component of growth. I listen without defensiveness, ask clarifying questions, and evaluate how suggestions align with project goals and user needs. I create iterative cycles that integrate feedback through prototypes or revisions, ensuring improvements are measurable. By documenting changes and communicating reasoning, I maintain alignment with the team. Thoughtfully incorporating feedback strengthens collaboration, enhances outcomes, and produces work that meets higher standards of quality and impact. 10. Describe a technical challenge you overcame. I once worked on optimizing a slow, poorly performing system that struggled under high traffic. After analyzing logs and metrics, I discovered inefficient database queries and unbalanced load distribution. I collaborated with engineering to redesign query structures, add intelligent caching, and implement load balancing improvements. These optimizations significantly reduced latency and enhanced user experience. The project taught me to combine data insights with team collaboration to solve complex technical challenges effectively. 11. How do you stay updated with emerging technologies? I stay updated through structured learning habits such as reading reputable tech publications, following industry leaders, and attending conferences or webinars. I experiment with new tools through personal projects to gain hands-on understanding. I also engage in peer discussions and review open-source contributions. Continuous curiosity keeps me aware of evolving trends. This consistent learning mindset helps me identify opportunities for innovation and ensures my work aligns with the fast-changing technology landscape. 12. Why do you believe innovation is critical at Alphabet? Innovation drives Alphabet's mission to improve global access to information, create meaningful tools, and push technological boundaries. Alphabet serves billions, so innovation ensures sustainable, scalable solutions. Its culture encourages experimentation, learning, and bold ideas. Innovation also addresses complex global challenges like accessibility, climate issues, and responsible AI. I believe innovation fuels long-term impact and keeps Alphabet at the forefront of technology that empowers individuals and communities worldwide. 13. Explain your approach to designing scalable systems. I design scalable systems by first understanding anticipated user load and key performance metrics. I break systems into modular components, consider distributed architectures, and implement failover strategies. I identify bottlenecks early through stress testing and monitoring. Data partitioning, caching, and load balancing help maintain efficiency under heavy traffic. I value fault tolerance and maintainability, ensuring the system can expand seamlessly as user demands grow. Scalability requires thoughtful planning and continuous performance optimization. 14. How do you ensure diversity and inclusion in team settings? I ensure diversity and inclusion by encouraging open dialogue, actively listening to teammates, and creating space for different viewpoints. I advocate for inclusive decision-making practices and equitable access to opportunities. Cultural awareness and empathy guide my interactions. I promote respectful collaboration and value representation across backgrounds and experiences. Recognizing individual strengths fosters trust and belonging. A diverse team generates innovative ideas and strengthens performance, making inclusion essential for meaningful, long-term success. 15. How do you handle tight deadlines? When facing tight deadlines, I break the project into manageable tasks and identify the highest impact components. Clear communication with the team ensures alignment and realistic expectations. I eliminate distractions, focus on essential work, and continuously monitor progress. If obstacles arise, I address them quickly and adapt strategies as needed. While maintaining quality, I stay calm and organized. This steady, disciplined approach helps me consistently meet deadlines without compromising results or collaboration. 16. How do you manage risk in projects? I manage risk by identifying potential issues early through data, research, and stakeholder conversations. I categorize risks by likelihood and impact, then implement mitigation strategies such as early testing, backups, or design adjustments. Transparency is essential, so I communicate risks promptly and collaboratively refine plans. Regular monitoring ensures new risks are addressed quickly. This proactive approach reduces uncertainty, protects project timelines, and supports informed decision-making throughout the development lifecycle. 17. Describe a project where you demonstrated leadership. I demonstrated leadership during a product overhaul requiring coordination across engineering, design, and marketing teams. I created a clear roadmap, facilitated communication, and ensured alignment with user needs. When challenges emerged, I guided discussions, encouraged constructive problem-solving, and maintained team morale. Regular stand-ups helped track progress and resolve blockers. The launch exceeded expectations and strengthened team cohesion. This experience reinforced the importance of empathy, organization, and accountability in effective leadership. 18. How do you approach ethical decision-making in technology? I approach ethical decision-making by considering long-term user impact, data privacy, and potential misuse. I evaluate risks, consult guidelines, and involve diverse perspectives to minimize bias. Transparency and accountability guide my choices. I prioritize responsible innovation and advocate for ethical safeguards throughout the development process. Technology influences billions, so decisions must protect users and uphold societal values. Ethical thinking ensures solutions remain trustworthy, safe, and aligned with Alphabet's commitment to responsible progress. 19. How do you ensure high-quality work? I ensure high-quality work through structured planning, thorough testing, and continuous iteration. Clear requirements guide my development approach. I use metrics to validate effectiveness and perform regular reviews to identify improvements. Peer collaboration strengthens accuracy and minimizes blind spots. I emphasize clarity, maintainability, and user experience in every deliverable. Quality is not a final step but a mindset applied consistently throughout a project to ensure strong, reliable, and meaningful outcomes. 20. What is your experience working with AI or machine learning? I have experience contributing to AI and machine learning projects involving data preparation, feature engineering, and model evaluation. I collaborated with data scientists and engineers to refine algorithms and integrate models into production systems. I focused on performance metrics, fairness considerations, and user relevance. I value responsible AI development, ensuring transparency and minimizing bias. My hands-on experience has strengthened my understanding of how AI can create impactful, scalable solutions across industries. 21. How do you ensure effective communication within teams? I ensure effective communication by establishing clear expectations, using structured channels, and maintaining consistency. I provide concise updates, document decisions, and encourage open discussions. I adapt my communication style based on audience needs and promote active listening. When misunderstandings arise, I address them quickly and respectfully. Transparent communication builds trust, minimizes delays, and keeps projects aligned. I believe that strong communication is foundational to high-performing, collaborative, and innovative teams. 22. How do you approach continuous improvement? I approach continuous improvement with curiosity and structured reflection. After completing tasks, I evaluate successes, gaps, and unexpected challenges. I seek feedback and explore new tools or methods to enhance efficiency. I set personal learning goals and apply lessons to future projects. Improvement is an ongoing cycle that strengthens performance, innovation, and adaptability. This mindset ensures I consistently deliver higher quality work and maintain growth in fast-evolving environments like Alphabet. 23. What do you think is Alphabet's biggest strength? Alphabet's biggest strength lies in its combination of global scale, innovative culture, and commitment to user-centric products. Alphabet integrates data, technology, and creativity to solve meaningful problems affecting billions. Its diverse portfolio, from AI to sustainability initiatives, demonstrates long-term vision. The culture encourages learning, experimentation, and responsible innovation. With its vast resources and mission-driven purpose, Alphabet consistently leads transformative advancements across industries and maintains a powerful, positive influence on the world. 24. How do you balance creativity and practicality? I balance creativity and practicality by exploring imaginative ideas while grounding decisions in data, feasibility, and user needs. I generate multiple concepts, evaluate constraints, and test prototypes to validate potential. Creativity drives innovation, but practicality ensures execution and sustainability. I prioritize ideas that offer high impact with realistic implementation pathways. This balanced approach helps me conceptualize bold solutions while maintaining alignment with timelines, resources, and long-term product goals. 25. Where do you see yourself growing within Alphabet? I see myself growing into a role that contributes to meaningful innovation, supports cross-functional teams, and strengthens product direction. I aim to develop deeper technical expertise while enhancing leadership skills. Alphabet's diverse ecosystem offers valuable opportunities to explore new technologies, collaborate globally, and drive impactful initiatives. Over time, I hope to guide projects that improve user experience, shape strategic vision, and contribute significantly to Alphabet's mission of advancing helpful, accessible technology. These thoughtfully crafted questions and answers help candidates present confidence, clarity, and strong alignment with Alphabet's mission, preparing them to excel in high-impact, competitive interview environments.